Hey everyone, so this is a quick video on how to use ChatGPT to improve your knowledge on any subject matter or any topic that you'd like to learn. So basically you can use following prompts to learn about any topic and also create a study plan to improve your knowledge. So let's say the subject that you want or the topic that you want to learn is photosynthesis. So the first prompt that you should try should be something like this. Explain photosynthesis in simple terms. And let's say you're a beginner. So let's say, explain to me as if I'm a beginner. Press enter, and you will get a few paragraphs explaining what photosynthesis is and a nice little summary to sum it up, which is quite handy. And so this is only like a tiny bit of information about photosynthesis, which is not enough to learn about this topic. So let's improve this prompt. So let's say I want to learn about photosynthesis. Identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand the 80% of it. This particular prompt would give you information regarding the whole vast topic that would allow you to understand the majority of the topic, but in like small, but with like 20% chunk. So let's play enter, and you'll get something like 20 points explaining what photosynthesis is in its simplest terms, which is quite handy. So let ChatGPT finish its answer. So like I said, it would give you 20 points. So compared to the first prompt, which gave a small summary, this is quite thorough with more information in it. Let's say that you have an exam about this topic, photosynthesis, and you want to study for it. So let's improve this prompt. So because this is not enough for you to sit an exam with. Let's say I want to get better at photosynthesis. I'm a complete beginner. So create a 5-day learning plan that will help a beginner like me to learn and improve the skill, and show this in a table, which should output the answer in a nice table. Press enter, and ChatGPT will create this nice table for you with a study plan. It's really powerful stuff. So as you can see, you can get a summary of some topic, and you can ask it to improve the answer by giving the gist of the whole subject matter. And also you can create a study plan like this. And let's improve this prompt. So now you have study plan, but you don't know where to look and what to study and how to test yourself. Let's add 2 more columns to this table. Let's prompt, add 2 more columns with links for learning resources to learn the topic matter, and for quizzes to test me. Press enter. What this would do is add 2 more columns to the above table, and also it would add links to these resources to study about each of the topic, and also it would add links for quizzes that you can use to test yourself about whatever the topic that you studied during that week. This is very handy. So as you can see, we started with a simple explanation of what this topic is, photosynthesis is, and we improved that prompt to give you to get an understanding of the 80% of the subject in a summarized manner. And then we went on to create a study plan for this topic to study about it for the next 5 days. And then we gathered all the resources and the quizzes to test ourselves. So I hope this helped you. And please comment in the comment section with any other interesting prompts similar to this that you're familiar with and you would like me to test out and do videos about. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.